Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Life with LaBelle. If you're new to my channel, welcome back, honey. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. I am back. I'm so excited, guys. I'm back for you guys. I'm back to create contents for you guys. I was actually on a break. I didn't announce that I was going on a break, but within myself, there was a lot of things going on, and I needed some time to think about the stuff and to work on some things. But I'm actually glad that everything is going on fine, and this will be a story for another video. Yes, as you can see from the title below, I'm rocking this unit for Unice hair, and this is their highlighter honey blonde wig, and I'm so obsessed with this wig. It is giving Beyonce vibe, and this hair feels so soft and beautiful. So the duties on this unit, it is a 13x4 lace frontal and a body wave transparent lace, and also a 20-inch hair and 150% density. So this unit is gorgeous. Like, the texture is so soft, it feels so good, and I love the wig, and the highlight just pop up so good. Like, you see the two blonde ones straight on the face, and you can just pop it up like this. Yes, this makes this wig. I love this color so much. The color is giving what it's supposed to give, and yes, I'm so obsessed with it. So guys, if you like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and let us get right into this video.
Back body, go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down, go down, go down, down, go down.
Going to see it on me, because I feel like it is not bad, but I don't think it suit my color at all. You guys can let me know in the comment section below what you guys think.
Back body, go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down.